me Amal, Hermuz, and I have here with me Debbie. And today we're going to show you how to cut a lovely nice fringe. As you see, this is her hair. We part the hair like that and we separate it. Now we have her hair here, yes? So we're going to take the hair all in our hand. And then we're going to turn it like this and put your hand here and turn back. The only thing you need to do, just cut in one cut. So when you cut this part, make sure you cut it perfectly. So don't miss not even one hair. So now, just corner a little bit. Yes, so. Okay, we are ready. Now we have our fringe. So this is the fringe we have made for Debbie from short to long on the side. But we wanted to go inside, little bit wispy fringe. So we're gonna take just this point here. There we go here. Just a little bit. Now we go here. This corner and here. You can see this corner, you cut it, okay, let me blow dry it so it's very bad. See, nice and lovely and wispy fringe. Yeah, and very attractive. As you see, I like the fringe, and if we Hermuz, you see how beautiful fringe she has, and in very short time. So, do you like it? She like it, and we like it also. So, thank you very much for being with us. Bye bye.